Bros and sis, so now so I come on my name now Love Day. I can't say make I come into Wafe style today. Not be everyday person gonna speak Oyibo. I can't say make I come Pangere for my people now. You know, say every day all of us go just they do like say we sabi English too much. But forget it, so forget things. So now waiting me at the talk here be say this. You know, say the time where you dey road, so as you just dey road, you come enter one thing where we they call traffic. You can't enter that motor traffic. Every car just they drive like say na Dengue road. Okay, so as you enter that traffic, you can see say the line come long go. The line long, like say from Oba Palace go reach wherever you want to reach. If you dey Wafe, you go no say the road come be like say you dey from Okumagbo Avenue, come reach Okumagbo Central. If you dey Benin, so you go think say the road long go from Oba Palace go reach Ring Road. That one now the shortest long road where I know. Okay, so what can happen now? Una dey road like this now. As people just they pass the waka, they do their own. Now you go see say one car go dey road. The car where they your front, you go see say the space where they in front now like 3 car spaces. But you know sand, you go just the waka like say him be the fastest snail. You go just the drive like say him be fastest snail. Then you go see another one for your back. What that one gonna do? And go make your body shock. You know what he gonna do? He be one run like say he be the highest Hamilton. You know, say that boy where they drive like this. If you enter road like this, they drive, everybody go just they come up because they race. Then you go see that one where they drive like normal people. You know, say normal people sabi drive. Every road speedometer they go finish up. Normal people they finish speedometer. Now when they reach that place where they like send up camera there, they go extra normal. They go reduce speed. So waiting, I'll come bring on our way today now. You know, say everybody just they shocking, they run from life. Oh. But they no remember say for every junction where life day. How go they talk junction like say Oyibo? Every junction where life day, every junction of life. When you go to junction, no, I not go into that Calabar style now. I dey Wafe style. I dey Pidgin style. So for every junction for life, there is always a camera. Those camera where you they see and those camera where you know they see. Why you know they see the camera be say for your mind you think say God know they watch you. Now because you think say God know they watch you, now it make you the drive speed for road. Now it make you the drive speed for everything where they do. But in that place where junction there for life, now so camera full am. So if you get to the place where the junction there, you see the camera, what you go do? You go slow down. Now that slow down, now what they call conscience. Your conscience could prick you small. Because you enter junction where God sits. Your conscience go tell you say, you no go, if you do a more, now crowfro trouble you go enter. So you can't kulele. Now so life there. So every time where they drive the waka for road of junction of life, make you remember say, they get one junction where God designed like that. He can't leave camera for him. So whatever you they do, if you they drive on narrow road, no say God keep junction for there. God keep camera for there. So if you they drive for very long road, no say God keep camera for there. So what you gonna do, even the camera of the people where they give tickets, a camera too. So everything they do, may remember say God day. God day. If you remember say God day, he go help you, make you know how you go just comport yourself. They do what you they do. So in all fairness, what they talk now be say, no matter the place where you find yourself, if you dey road they drive, if you dey road where be road of life, make you know say God they look you. Make you unbutton your conscience, so comot your conscience, pull them inside. Pull your conscience inside of waiting ever anything way they do, because God they wash you. God they wash you. God they wash you. God they wash you. If you think say your own better pass everybody own, no say God they wash you. And that guy in eye they shook. In eye they shook. God eye they shook past everybody eye. Because na pankere they cause plantain can't get that sound where they do krichi. Alright, my people. Wait till they talk, we say anything where they do for life, make you just understand, say God day. And as God day, now so if you mess up, my camera go just take you like this. Chicken. If to say now in those days, maybe if you mess up, you get your result. But now, if you mess up, as they give you tickets, you know, say camera go just take your face like this, camera go just take your face, then they go send you ticket for house. Now waiting life be now. In life now, camera go take the picture. God go take your picture. You go wait, your punishment go there front. If you say now before, as God they take your picture, he go give you punishment immediately. But these days, that guy, he did too magnificent. So if you dey drive for road of life, always understand that Baba God day. Baba God day. If you postpone them, and if you dey waka shakpere for road, no say other people dey road too. All of them are supposed to look out for each other. So in all essence, I don't know whether I hear me. Waiting be waiting they talk. Where I just take your time all this while. I say make you hella be sure that if you dey road, if you dey go slow, they waka. Make you think about the person where they your back, because the person where they front, they think about you too. So think about the person where they your front, think about the person where they your back. Now your boy love this, say make a throw salute to honor. No be every day I go to speak Benkere English. Now today na wafe come. Tomorrow if he big Nkaraba, we fee go Nkaraba, or tomorrow come talk about everything where they do from Nkaraba. Next tomorrow if he be Hausa language, because as I did right now, we can go into Hausa. As we did speaking for Hausa, everybody go here and understand what we did work. Okay? And tomorrow if he be my brothers where they for East. You know, say, nah, bros. All this thing wanna they do, nah, bros. Now that thing where we won't make we go. My this thing they high see. So waiting with the talk now be say. Anything where they do, may they listen. May they think about somebody else. Because this life, you know, get duplicate. Now your boy love they talk now. You know, say my voice don't change. I don't know why my voice can't change now. So now be a boy say make I just reach you now. Tell her this one. I know say no, they can see me very well, oh, because the area over scatter. God bless you now. God bless you now. Wait till everything wanna they do more. I remember say tomorrow day. More I remember say tomorrow day. God they wash you now. God bless you all. Be good, be kind in the ways of life. Be the best you can. This is Love the Onion from Love Day TV. I go close like that. Now your boy Love Day. And your boy Love Day and you will be Love Day TV. Now the same one I just stand up for us they enjoy. God bless you now. God bless you now. Else I go see you over. God bless you now. Okay, me I don't waka.